Hey there, today I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet with Dexscreener. Phantom Wallet is a popular, user-friendly and secure crypto wallet that allows users to manage cryptocurrency tokens and NFTs, particularly those built on the Solana blockchain, and now supports multiple chains like Ethereum and Polygon. To connect with your Dexscreener, first open the Phantom Wallet app. Then after opening the app, then tap on the globe icon here. Then from the search bar, search for Dexscreener. Then select this Dexscreener here. Then we will see a Dexscreener list from the page. Just select explore from here. Then from here look for portfolio, tap on it. Then tap on add a wallet. Then type in your wallet name as a Phantom wallet. Then go back to Phantom app again. Now select tap on receipt from here. Then after copy the address, your preferable one. For example, I'm selecting Solana here. Then paste the wallet address here, and then select add wallet and follow the prompts, and that's it. That's how you can add Phantom wallet to your Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.